So do you have to host your website using Wealthy Affiliate? The answer is no. If you already have a domain that you're hosting with, say, GoDaddy, for example, then you can just keep it there. And you can just use the education that you get on Wealthy Affiliate as well as all the tools. And you can apply them to your website wherever you're hosting it. It doesn't matter. So if you want to consolidate everything and you want to bring it all onto one platform, then it's definitely useful to bring it over to Wealthy Affiliate directly. And because Wealthy Affiliate already includes hosting in their premium and their premium plus plan, then it could also save you some money since it's already included and you can cancel your current hosting service. So if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate, they have a completely free plan that you can use to get started. There's no credit card required and you can sign up using the link in the description. Now you might be wondering if it's possible to use Wealthy Affiliate only for hosting and not using any other service. So, if you already have a hosting with some other service and you decide that you want to cancel it and use Wealthy Affiliate, can you do that? Watch this video showing up on your screen and I'll answer that question.